Althea Todd from Ivor Park, Texas, and I'm going to introduce you my absolutely new technique of nail polish. It's I call it sparkling fancy nails. You can look at them, and now I'll show you how to do it. Okay, first of all, I get a Vitacool base coat by Avon and put it on my nail. Then I put violet sparkle, 2 coats of this, and now I'm showing you that technique. It's very easy, but it creates fancy results. You just dot 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 dot, and it's glimmering gold nail polish, and then you take regular toothpick and just scratch it, or you can swirl. Do what you like and let it dry out a little bit, and then you put gloss guard top coat on top of this, and it will keep your fancy nails for about 10 days. And with only 6 nail colors you can create results like this. You don't have to do all these colors at the same time, but I'll just show you the possibilities are endless. Like here I use red on black, here I use light blue on dark blue, gold on black, black on red, and so forth. And I'll show you one nail. This is my nail. First time I used 3 colors, like base was black color, and on top I put golden and light blue. Is it pretty? Okay, now you know a new technique, and I'll see you in New York. Bye.